The new and improved Shimano Sahara reel represents great performance and value for anglers looking for a spinning reel suited to the estuary and light tackle inshore fishing. The Sahara series of reels will have you back on your next fishing adventure, as these reels are packed with some of Shimano's latest features. Key to the release of the Sahara is the use of Shimano's Hagane gear system. A highly durable cold-forged aluminium drive gear system enables the Sahara series of reels to have unrivaled strength and durability. With Shimano's X-Ship technology, the Sahara is super smooth and easy to wind, and matched with the G-free body design, make the reel easy to control. To ensure you're reaching your full potential out on the water, the new Sahara reel also features the Shimano Propulsion line management system. Through tens and thousands of casting tests and computer simulations, a new spool lip design provides anglers with the ability to cast further and reduce unwanted wind knots. All models feature 4+1 bearings across a 1000 to a compact 5000 size. The classic Sahara is back better than ever. These reels are exclusive to BCF, so head into your local store and check them out.